Hi there, welcome to Waiterio. Today I'm going to show you how to export the reports from the Waiterio app. Follow these steps to export the reports. Log into the Waiterio app. Navigate to the Report tab. Note, only users with admin, owner, or manager roles can view the Report tab. Select a period of time like today, yesterday, this week, this month, or a custom date range. Click on the button Export.csv. On a smartphone, this button may appear as a download icon just like this. Save the .csv file to your device or computer. Open the CSV file with any spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Numbers. Once you have the report, you can adjust it according to your preference. If you have a little knowledge on spreadsheet, you can customize the look for presentation. There you have it, a short video on how to export report from the Waiterio app. Thank you and have a great day.